Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make egg and tomatoes this way, and also how to toast bread without a toasting machine. So if you are new to my channel, you're welcome. My name is Sharon and this is Boulder's Kitchen. We share amazing recipes, African recipes, Nigerian recipes, healthy drinks, mukbang and daily vlog. So thank you so much for stopping by. So without wasting too much of your time, let's begin with this eggs and tomatoes recipe. To begin, I'm just going to chop the tomatoes into tiny pieces like this, as tiny as possible. If you want it to be a bigger chunks, you can make yours to be bigger chunks, so it's totally optional. But to make it easy to fry, you have to cut it into tiny pieces like so. So this is me chopping the tomatoes. I'm also using chili peppers for this recipe. I'm using just one because I'm not frying for so much people, just for two. So this is the measurement, just one chili and about 3 large tomatoes, but I had the smaller tomatoes, so I used about 6 of it, and then the medium sized onions. So just chop everything tiny and then we move to the next step. Keep watching. So guys, I've finished chopping my vegetables. Now it's time to break the egg and whisk it. I'm just going to add a little amount of salt and then mix everything together. After mixing, I'm just going to put a little amount of vegetable oil in a pan and then add the chopped onions and pepper together. So allow it to saute for like 1 minute before adding the chopped tomatoes. It's been 1 minute now. I'm just going to go ahead and add in the tomatoes and then mix it very well and allow it to fry for about 5 minutes so that it can be fully cooked. This time it's not on a high heat but just a medium high. This will just help to reduce the amount of liquid in the tomatoes. So guys, it's been like 4 minutes now. I'm just going to add the mixed egg. If you want to add a little seasoning of your choice to the tomatoes, you can add it before adding the egg. Remember, there's already salt in the egg. You don't want to overdo it. So guys, I'm frying the egg. I'm just going to allow it fry on a not very low heat, but in a low heat so that it doesn't get burnt. But if you have a very good non-stick pan, then you're good to go. So it's been frying for some time now. I'm just going to flip it over and allow the other side to cook. So guys, it's ready. You see how yummy it is, fully cooked. Now I'm having it with bread. So this is how we usually do it in Nigeria. We just make a hole in the middle of bread and then put in the eggs and press it together. So guys, this is Nigerian street food. They call it michai. Students in university usually buy this when they are broke because they think it's cheap. The people that usually sell it are those Hausa young men, they call them aboki in Nigeria. They are the people that are specialized in this kind of, this kind of food. They also sell noodles on the streets as well, but anybody can sell it as a business, but those are the people that usually sell it. So I'm just going to add it to a hot pan with very little amount of oil or butter, and then press it so that it can roast, or rather toast, very well. Can you hear that sound? That's what we're looking for. So if you have watched to this stage, thank you so much. I remain Boulderstick Kitchen, and my name is Sharon. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.